In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in or create an account on Perplexity AI. If you're new to using online AI tools or just need a little refresher, this guide is going to be perfect for you. We'll take this step by step, so don't worry if you're not very tech savvy. By the end, you'll be all set up and ready to explore what Perplexity AI has to offer. First things first, let's open up your preferred web browser. I recommend using one you're comfortable with, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Now, in the address bar at the top, type in google.com and press enter. This will bring you to the Google homepage, which is a familiar starting point for many of us when searching for websites and new resources. Once you're on Google's search page, look for the search bar, which is often right at the center of the screen. Click on it and type in the word perplexity. You'll notice the search suggestions start to populate. Go ahead and hit enter to execute the search. Google's robust search engine will quickly return a list of results. Among these links, you should find the official Perplexity AI website at the top or near the top of the search results. You can usually identify it by the website's address or context in the brief description that appears beneath the title link. Let's go ahead and click on the Perplexity AI link to navigate straight to their homepage. Now, once you're on the Perplexity website, look for the option to sign in or create an account. Typically, there will be buttons prominently displayed on the homepage. In this case, you'll likely see options such as Continue with Google. This option is popular because it simplifies the process, enabling you to use your existing Google credentials for quick and secure access. Click on Continue with Google to proceed. This action will prompt a pop-up window, which is Google's secure sign-in interface. If you're already logged into your Google account, you may simply have to confirm your choice. If not, you'll need to enter your Google email address and password to proceed. After you provide your credentials, Google will ask for your permission to share your basic profile information with Perplexity AI. This is a standard procedure for login integrations, ensuring your details are passed on securely. Go ahead and grant those permissions, which will allow Perplexity to create your new account or authenticate an existing one linked with your Google account. And there you have it. You're all set up on Perplexity AI. Now you can begin exploring the features and discovering the potential of this AI platform. If you encounter any issues along the way, make sure to double-check your credentials and internet connection. Thank you for joining in today, and enjoy your journey with Perplexity AI.